Hello and welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making a powerful detox drink that is not just tasty but also great for your skin, boosts digestion and helps fight bloating. Super refreshing, super healthy, so let's get started. Here is everything we'll need: fresh mango, juicy Malta or oranges, carrots, ginger, and a handful of ice. Simple, clean ingredients that come together to make one powerful drink. We'll start with a small piece of ginger, peel it, and then give it a nice wash. Ginger adds a sharp kick and is great for digestion and immunity. Chop the ginger into small pieces and toss it into a mixer jar. Next, we are going to add 2 carrots. Peel and rinse them well. Carrots bring natural sweetness, fiber, and a whole lot of beta-carotene. Roughly chop and add them to the jar. Now for the mango, cut it in half, scoop out the pulp and drop in. This gives the drink a creamy, tropical flavor that balances out the carrots and ginger perfectly. Next, moving on to the Malta. Slice off the top and bottom, then run a knife around the edges to peel it. Once peeled, cut in half, remove the seeds, and then chop into smaller chunks. The citrus in this really freshens up the drink and adds a big dose of vitamin C. Look how juicy and vibrant that orange looks. Drop it all into the mixer. Finally, add a generous bowl of ice. This keeps the drink cool and refreshing, especially for summers. Seal the lid and blend everything till smooth. It's always fun to watch the colors come together. Since it's blended, give it a quick stir. If it feels too thick for your liking, you can add a splash of water to adjust the consistency. Now pour it into glass bottles. It's perfect for post-workout hydration, yoga sessions, or even as a midday energy boost. Kids will love it too. And it's way better than sugary packaged drinks. Using glass bottles not only keeps your drink cooler for longer but also avoids plastic toxins. Plus, they are reusable and eco-friendly. And this drink, it's rich in fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, great for your skin, digestion, and energy levels. So that's your quick and super healthy detox drink. Tasty, cooling, and full of natural goodness. If you liked this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more simple, delicious recipes. See you next time. Stay healthy, stay happy.